Over 60 and losing strength, these five cheeses help rebuild muscle naturally and support senior health. Did you know that over 40% of seniors after 60 gradually lose muscle without even realizing it? This condition is called sarcopenia. Daily tasks become challenging, like standing from a chair or carrying grocery bags. The good news is the solution is simpler than you might think. No complex drugs needed, no expensive supplements required. Just choose natural foods available in your kitchen. Every single day after 60, recent studies confirm that certain cheeses contain proteins and minerals to slow muscle loss and rebuild strength. Imagine a small piece making a big difference between staying strong and independent or struggling with daily movements. In this video, I reveal 5 cheeses backed by science, your natural weapon against sarcopenia after the age of 60. Stay with me till the end. I'll share not just the names, but also how to choose them and eat them correctly for best results after 60, supporting senior health and strong muscles. Before we reveal the secrets of the top 5 cheeses to build muscles after 60, I want to know from you, what is your favorite cheese? Write your comment now. Let's see which cheese is most popular among countries. Start your day simply with a small cup of fresh cottage cheese. Daily, it contains slow digesting protein, perfect to preserve muscles at night. It prevents tissue breakdown during sleep and is also rich in strong calcium, supporting bones and strengthening joints daily. A Harvard study showed that seniors with enough protein keep their strength and energy. Spread it on whole grain bread in the morning or enjoy with fruits for a healthy breakfast. Add to salad with fresh vegetables. It gives long-lasting fullness and boosts absorption of important nutrients. Always watch the amount. 30 to 50 grams daily is enough. Avoid salty or processed types and choose fresh without additives. Natural is best for heart and kidney health. This cheese is rich in vitamins like B12 to support nerves and muscles, with phosphorus for strong bones, and probiotics that aid digestion and energy, keeping your day full of strength. Mix it in many recipes like omelets with vegetables in the morning or as a snack between meals. It stimulates muscle building and protects from usual daily weakness. Imagine just a small piece bringing back daily strength and flexibility, making movement easier and more independent. Research shows continuous benefits. Daily cottage cheese supports senior health. Start today with a simple step. Just 1 cup protects muscles, prevents weakness and future movement struggles, helps maintain your health enjoyably, and sets you up to discover the rest of the magical cheeses later. Let's continue our cheese journey. Now, cheese number 2, ricotta, rich in fast protein, perfect for muscle building after 60. It contains effective whey protein, supporting muscle tissue regrowth. A University of California study confirmed that seniors who eat it regularly maintain strength and daily energy. Ricotta is rich in calcium and phosphorus, quickly boosting bones and joints. It also contains the vital B12 vitamin, supporting nerves and daily energy, making movement easier and more independent. Eat it with fruits in the morning or on whole grain bread at breakfast. Your meal becomes healthy and enjoyable, giving your body the nutrients needed to build muscles daily. Watch the amount as advised. 30 to 50 grams daily is enough. Avoid artificial additives and extra salt, and always choose fresh for best results. Nature gives lasting health and energy. Ricotta complements the cottage cheese effect and enhancing muscle strength and reducing weakness. Daily activity becomes much easier. Movements become more flexible and light. Enjoy independence day after day. Imagine just a small piece giving a strong protein boost, keeping muscles strong and independent, gradually protecting from sarcopenia with every healthy and enjoyable meal. Start today with a simple step. Add ricotta to your meal, you'll notice a daily energy difference, and get ready for cheese 3, which will continue your strength journey. And to ensure your body gets all the protein and nutrients we mentioned with ricotta, don't forget to follow upcoming videos. We will continue our journey with the other 4 cheeses, which support muscles after 60, in a fun and easy way. Subscribe to stay updated with daily health tips and useful advice for your body. Let's continue our cheese journey. Now, cheese number 3, Parmesan, rich in concentrated protein, perfect for those over 60. It contains fast-absorbing protein, supporting muscle building and daily strength. An Oregon University study showed that seniors who eat it regularly maintain muscle and bone density. Parmesan is rich in important calcium and phosphorus, supporting bone health and strengthening joints. It also contains vital B12 vitamin, maintaining nerves and daily energy, making movement easier and more independent. Sprinkle it on a salad in the morning or over roasted vegetables with meals. It adds delicious taste and nutrition, making every meal enjoyable and healthy, and boosts absorption of key nutrients. Always watch the amount, as studies advise 10 to 20 grams daily is enough. Avoid artificial additives or extra salt, and choose the natural aged type always, for best results for your health. Parmesan complements cottage cheese and ricotta, together building strong muscles. keeping strength stable and the body flexible. Enjoy daily movement without fatigue, and protect yourself from gradual muscle loss. Imagine just a small piece giving concentrated protein and extra strength, keeping muscles strong and bones protected, maintaining your daily activity and independence. Feel the difference with every meal. Start today with a simple step. Add Parmesan to your daily meal. You'll notice a difference in strength and energy, and get ready for cheese number 4, which will continue your strength journey. Now, cheese number 4, fresh, low-salt mozzarella, perfect for muscle building after 60. It is rich in high-quality protein, helping daily muscle recovery. An Italian study confirmed its effectiveness. Seniors who eat it regularly maintain bone strength and energy. Mozzarella contains calcium and B12 vitamin, supporting nerves, joints, and movement. It is gentle on the stomach and easy to digest, ideal for mild sensitivities. Keeping daily activity effortless, eat it with fresh tomatoes and a little healthy olive oil. It becomes a delicious and healthy meal, supports muscle building and bones, and makes daily movement smoother. Watch the amount, as studies advise, 30 to 50 grams daily is enough. Always choose fresh without additives. Excess salt harms kidneys and heart, and natural type gives the best health results. Mozzarella complements previous cheeses, cottage cheese, ricotta, and Parmesan together, strengthening muscles and maintaining power. It makes daily movement more independent and helps gradually resist sarcopenia. Imagine just a small piece giving extra energy and strength, keeping muscles strong and bones protected. Enjoy a tasty and healthy meal and feel the difference with every bite. Start today with a simple step. Add mozzarella to your daily meal. Add mozzarella to your daily meal. You'll notice more energy and strength, and get ready for cheese number 5, which completes your muscle and strength journey. Now, cheese number 5, fresh feta from natural milk, perfect for seniors after 60. It is rich in high-quality protein, helping build muscles quickly. A Greek study confirmed its effectiveness. Daily intake supports strength and energy, and maintains stable bones and joints. Feta is easy to digest and gentle on the stomach, best for mild sensitivities. It contains probiotics for digestion, keeps gut balance and energy, important for body health and daily activity. Add it to salads or with fresh vegetables at lunch. It makes every meal tasty and healthy, gives fullness and energy, supports muscles, and keeps movement smooth. Watch the amount, as studies advise. 30 to 50 grams daily is enough. Choose the natural type without additives. Excess salt may affect the heart, and natural gives the best health results. Feta complements previous cheeses, cottage cheese, ricotta, Parmesan, and mozzarella. All work together to build muscles, maintain strength, flexibility, and independence, and gradually reduce sarcopenia risk. Imagine just a small piece giving a strong protein boost, keeping muscles strong and active. Enjoy a tasty and nutritious meal and feel the difference with every bite. Start today with a simple step. Add feta to your daily meal. You'll notice more strength and energy, and with all 5 cheeses, you become stronger, facing sarcopenia with confidence and power. Now that you know the top 5 cheeses, cottage, ricotta, Parmesan, mozzarella, and feta, you can include them daily in a healthy and easy way. Remember always that quantity matters. 30 to 50 grams per type daily is enough. Avoid excess salt or fat, and always choose fresh, natural types without additives. Start your day with a simple breakfast. A cup of cottage cheese with fresh fruits, or add ricotta to whole grain bread. It gives fullness and excellent morning energy, maintaining muscles throughout the day. Use Parmesan and mozzarella at lunch. Sprinkle a little on salad or vegetables. It adds delicious taste and extra protein, keeping you active and your joints flexible. Fresh feta is great for snacks. Add to salad or with vegetables. It supports digestion and daily balance, strengthens muscles naturally and safely. Avoid processed cheese or chemical additives. Excess salt and fat harm kidneys and heart. Natural cheeses give the best health results and help resist muscle loss and sarcopenia gradually. Maintain variety between the 5 cheeses. Each gives different nutrients to your body: protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12, all essential to maintain strength and muscles. Make cheese part of your daily routine with main meals or snacks. You'll notice a difference in energy and strength. Even daily walking and movement become easier. Don't forget to drink water regularly. It is important for nutrient absorption and essential for kidney and bone health. Start with simple steps today. Choose one type or a small cup daily, then gradually include the rest. You'll feel stronger and more active each week, and over time, muscles become flexible and independent. Always remember, cheeses are not just tasty, they are a natural tool to fight muscle weakness and enjoy daily life full of strength and movement. Start today and give your body the best care possible.